Hello students, welcome you all. I'm Raj Prajapati. I'm with the new chapter Excretory System. In this heading we will study about excretion, defecation, osmoregulation, various types of excretory organ in human. We will study archinephric, pronephric, mesonephric and metanephric kidneys in brief. So without wasting time, I want to start the chapter. You must have heard about the term excretion. Excretion and the term defecation. Both these terms are different. Both these terms are different. They are not synonym to each other. I will differentiate with the help of examples so that you will understand easily. Excretion means a removal of nitrogenous waste material outside the body through kidneys. Say, carbon dioxide, water, or metabolic wastes of carbohydrates, lipid, and proteins. So excretion, the definition of excretion is elimination of nitrogenous waste material outside the body via kidney. But defecation is not a synonym of excretion. Defecation and excretion are both different terms. Excretion, I told you, elimination of nitrogenous waste material. Defecation means it is removal of undigested food material outside the body through anus. The undigested food material is feces, means the feces which are not, no cell will absorb the undigested food material. So I'm going to write definition here so that you can understand easily. Excretion, a removal of nitrogenous waste material outside the body, outside the body through kidney. And as you know, I told you CO2, water are metabolic waste. Carbon dioxide and water are metabolic wastes of carbohydrates, fats, etc. This was the first term. The second term is defecation. Defecation. As you know, I told you it is not synonym of excretion. Never get confused with defecation or excretion. They are different terms. They are different terms. So defecation is not synonym. Defecation means removal of or elimination of undigested food material, that is to say feces outside the body through anus is termed as defecation. Now the another term is osmoregulation. Osmoregulation regulation. So kidney act as a medium for maintenance of water and salt concentration in the body. So osmoregulation is control over salt concentration and water concentration in an individual's body. So I hope you understood these three terms, and now I'm going to next topic, and that topic is excretory organs in human. Excretory organs in human. Excretory organs in human. In human, excretory organs are of two types: primary and accessory. Primary is known as main excretory organ, and accessory organ perform its own function. It has its own function, but the secondary function of the accessory organs are elimination of nitrogenous waste material, trace quantity, in trace quantity or in moderate quantity. So here in human, excretory organs are of two types. First one is primary organ, primary excretory organ, or it is also known as main organ. Main organ. And second one is accessory excretory organs. If we will focus primary organ, the primary organ is the kidney. Kidney is the main organ of excretory system, and it participates actively in removal of waste material. Waste material means nitrogenous waste materials. And the accessory excretory organs are involved in excretion, but they have its own function. First, the primary function, they have different primary functions according to the organs. But here in accessory organ, the secondary work is excretion. So the primary, I'm going to focus here, primary organ is the kidney. First one is primary organ, primary excretory organ, that is to say kidney. Its exclusive function is exclusive function is a removal of nitrogenous removal of nitrogenous waste materials. And second one, it acts as homeostatic organ. Homeostatic organ is maintaining internal chemical equilibrium of an individual. So the primary excretory organ is our kidney, a pair of kidney, which is located in the posterior region of the abdominal cavity. It acts as homeostatic organ. The exclusive function is removal of nitrogenous waste material. Each kidney contains roughly 1 million nephrons. Nephrons are a structural and functional unit of kidney. I will tell you there are two types of nephrons when I will give lecture on especially kidney, that cortical and juxtamedullary nephron separately. So now it's a just introduction. So primary excretory organ is completed. Now I'm going to accessory excretory organ. The accessory excretory organs are first lungs, second one is liver, third one is skin, and the fourth one is, everybody will be aware or may not be aware, it's an intestine. So all these four accessory organs have its own function. They are not the excretory organ. Lungs have the function of external respiration, liver the function of breakdown of bilirubin, biliverdin and urochrome, which are the nitrogenous waste part of the dead RBCs, and aid in elimination. It acts as emulsification. The primary function I am telling, not the secondary is the excretion. Skin, it acts as barrier and protect our body from foreign invasion. Also it contains the receptor, sensory organs, it is sensory organ. And the accessory, when it acts as accessory organ, it remove excess water, oils, steroids, hormones from our skin, because it is fully laden with numerous sweat glands and sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland aid in removal of extra oils from our skin. Sweat aid in removal of water, salts, and these are collectively called the perspiration. And when the person is perspiring means removing, but this is not functional. This when the winter season will be there, it is not functional. So that's why in winter season the urine is always hypertonic. Urine is hypotonic, but in summer season urine is hypertonic because the water is eliminating from the skin region. So the fourth one is intestine. As you know, intestine, the main function of intestine is absorption of food material, aid in assimilation, but the secondary function is it remove calcium, magnesium, iron through fishes. Means that will be mixed in the undigested food and eliminated through anus. Now students, I am going to demonstrate or discuss on types of kidney in animals. Types of kidney in animals. The first one, there are four types of kidney, as I told you. Archinephric kidney, very primitive one. Pronephric kidney, mesonephric kidney, and metanephric kidney. The mammalian kidney come under heading metanephric kidney. It is advanced kidney. It is advanced kidney. It is more advanced than mesonephric kidney. Why it is advanced? I will tell you. First, I want to write types of kidneys. The first one is archinephric kidney. Archinephric, nephric, or archinephros. It is very primitive kidney. It is very primitive kidney. Archinephric or archinephros kidney is very primitive. It is present in the larva of some cyclostome. So it is present in the larval form of some cyclostomes. Cyclostomes means, students, the pieces, jawless of fishes. So you must have heard about myxine. So, but not in adult. This kidney is only present in the larval form of cyclostome, but not in adult. Now, second, I'm going to tell you. This one is pronephric kidney. Pronephric. Pronephric kidney. This kidney is characteristic of some cyclostome like myxine or lamprey. Myxine is also known as hagfish, and tadpole of frogs. So it is a very basic kidney. If you are talking about, this is the very ancient kidney. So pronephric kidney, it is feature of tadpoles, of frogs, and some cyclostomes. Cyclostomes means agnates. Agnates means they are the jawless fishes. That I told you, myxine. Now they come to the next point, third point, and this is the mesonephric kidney. Mesonephric kidney. It is known as middle kidney, and this kidney is characteristics of amphibian, reptiles, and few fishes also perform excretion through this one, but mostly it is characteristic of the amphibians. This is known as middle kidney. It have loop of Henle's, but loop of Henle's is not so much advanced as compared to the metanephric kidney. So it is known as middle kidney, and it is feature of amphibians and reptiles. Now come to the fourth one, the most advanced one. This kidney is known as metanephric kidney. Metanephric kidney. This kidney is highly advanced. So first of all, this kidney is advanced and it is known as posterior kidney. Students always pay attention. This term is very vital. Middle kidney. Mesonephric kidney is known as middle kidney because it possesses shorter loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is present here, but not so much advanced. It is posterior kidney and it is more advanced because it possesses a larger loop of Henle. It is characteristic of all mammals and aves. So it is known as posterior kidney. Highly advanced kidney. Advanced kidney. Possesses larger loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. Students, when I will draw the diagram of individual nephron, then I will show you the loop of Henle. Loop of Henle play very crucial role in concentration of urine. Now our main focus is this one, metanephric kidney, because we are studying the excretory system of human, not the excretory system of amphibian or reptile. Just it was an introduction that 4 types of kidneys are present in animals. The basic one is archinephric, means most ancient one is archinephric, pronephric, mesonephric, and highly advanced is metanephric. The concentration of urine depends upon the loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. So in my next video, I will discuss the next topic. So please stay tuned, more to come, and feel free to comment. And in the case of doubt, you may ask me. Thank you, students.